Did you see how each and everybody is opting for environmentally friendly goods these days? There is such a revolution taking place, a few of which is the bamboo toothbrush. Why? Because they are considered to be more eco-friendly as they do not contribute to the use of plastic toothbrushes. Bamboo toothbrushes were only a few years ago, hardly anyone's even the best option. And today, these brushes are gaining popularity in almost every region of the world. Let us quickly understand the reasons for this and why this presents a great opportunity for entrepreneurs like you. Market demand and opportunities. The global bamboo toothbrush market size was at $38.2 million in 2023. The market is expected to reach $75.9 million by 2032, with CAGR of 7.92%. The rising demand for bamboo toothbrushes in the market is being driven by at least three factors. First, increasing environmental awareness. People comprehend far better than before the implications of raw materials like plastic. Second, demand for sustainable products. People are making conscious purchases of green and fair trade products. Third, government regulations. Many governments internationally are taking actions against the use of disposable plastics, and this has only increased the emphasis on the green other materials like bamboo. Key market trends. Whatever the reason, consumers are also made to purchase other distractions such as charcoal bristles for cleaner teeth, soft gripping handles, etc. These approaches are being applied to the recruitment process as well, employing materials such as recycled cards, e-core and other biodegradable plastics. And most especially, due to the popularity of the internet, the usage of bamboo toothbrushes has never been this easy. E-commerce has emerged as one of the most powerful forces instrumental in the global distribution of the products. Environmental benefits. On the other hand, these bamboo toothbrushes are much less harmful to our nature. Bamboo has been proven to be incorporated easily in many products, and its raw material is also cut down to make pollution-free toothbrushes. Bamboo is cultivated and harvested in shorter periods in contrast to plastic, which can take hundreds of years to decompose. In addition, bamboo is a natural plant and thus biodegradable. It is eventually returned to earth without causing any environmental pollution. Machinery and equipment. For bamboo toothbrushes production, even simple equipment may be used in manufacture. Here's what's essential. Bamboo cutting machines to cut the bamboo into proper lengths. Drilling machines to drill holes for the bristles. Bristle insertion machines to attach bristles to the bamboo handle. Packaging machines for eco-friendly packaging. All these factors make it easy for the small and medium enterprises to adopt this equipment since it is simple and quite cheap. The manufacturing process. To begin with, let's briefly cover what the entire manufacturing process looks like, starting with cutting and trimming bamboo stalks and preparing them as toothbrush handles. Then, bristle holes are made on the handles before they are polished and packed for sale. Simple, right? Growth drivers in the industry. Finally, let us take a look at what is driving this industry forward. The growth drivers include 1. Expanding consumer base. More and more people are going green and therefore the market of bamboo toothbrushes is growing. 2. Government incentives. A number of governments are now giving out grants and support to businesses. 3. Advances in manufacturing. It is due to advancements in technology that the manufacturing of these toothbrushes has become easier and cheaper, leading to the increase in the profit margin. Ideal location for setting up a plant. Are you looking to buy an existing bamboo toothbrush manufacturing plant? Or are you thinking of starting one from scratch? The location is very important. Here's what to take into account. Proximity to bamboo sources. If the plant is situated near the bamboo suppliers, it would significantly reduce transportation costs. Labor availability. Without trained workers, the production would not be effective. Infrastructure. There should be means of transport, availability of electricity and water for proper operation. Environmental regulations. Observe and conform to the environmental rules of the region to prevent any problems. Why you should consider this business. To conclude, let's list down the reasons as to why this business is such a big opportunity and why you should venture into it. If you have any thoughts or questions about this business, please do not hesitate to contact us. 1. High demand, sustainable products are more popular than ever. 2. Profit margins, low production costs, and high demand mean great profit potential. 3. Eco-friendly, you'll be part of the global shift towards sustainability. 4. Scalability, as demand grows, you can scale up production to meet it. How NPCS can assist you? Why worry before you start this journey, when we can support your business with 30+ experience in supporting business with detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, market research reports, equipment and raw material specifications, process flow diagrams and manufacturing details, complete project financials and profitability analysis. Not just these, but we also support you with custom reports that's made for your needs. If you need to know more or in detail, you can contact us through the phone number or email provided in the description. Don't forget to check out our other videos on healthcare.